Today I'm out on the beautiful Järstrand Nature Preserve and I'm going to do an antenna build. This is my old endfed wire. I've had this for about 3 years. Used it for over 100 activations, both SOTA, Flora, Porta and others. And it's actually getting worn out. Lots of places the installation is splitting and I've had a few breaks in it. So I'm going to replace it. I've also replaced my old antenna mast. This is a SOTA Beams travel mast, 10 meters. It's the model I usually use. I only use the bottom 8 meters of it because the top is too weak basically. The old one, it's been used hard. It's dinged up, it's been splitting. 2 of the links have broken, so I had to replace it from older ones. So this is a brand new and shiny one, which is going to join me for a lot of activations. I'll be using these 2 things for my antenna. I've got SOTA Beams wire here, lightweight, heavy duty and very good for SOTA expeditions and other lightweight things. This is a 500 meter spool, gone for yellow this time. Usually I've had green, but I wanted more visibility. Also got some paracord to mount in the end there. This is high visibility, very lightweight and durable. Also been using this for years. So join me as I do this simple build and upgrade of my equipment to new and more durable materials. Here you see me measuring out the wire. I'm measuring out 20.5 meters here, and I also had the same for the 41 meter one earlier. Just hooking the antenna to a tent peg and then running it out there. I'm tying a very simple knot on the end of the wire and to the rope and tying them together. Won't give you any scout badges, but it's more than strong enough. I'm using toolless banana plugs for attaching the wire to the transformer. These are very simple and can be easily attached in the field. At home I'm also adding a bit of shrink wrap to this to make it more durable. That's how easy this is. These are 2 antenna wires, one 41 meters, one 20.5 meters. This will give me 80 through 10 meters, or with a good tuner it will give me 160 through 6 meters, at least by experience. This one 40 through 10 meters and not as versatile but a lot smaller. Both of them are lightweight and this is what I've been using for years. So now everything that remains is to try this on the air and see who I can reach. Please join me out on the beach there and I'll see if I can find someone. I'm at one of my favorite activating positions and somebody has been very nice to build a little seating area here with a wall for shade for the wind. Mounting the antenna is just the same way as always. I'm using reusable zip ties and then I'm mounting it up as an inverted V antenna using the SOTA Beams mast. Here you can see me attaching them to the mast with zip ties and then just stretching it out. I'm using a very simple 49:1 transformer for this. I'm placing a link down in the description to the Radio Preppers channel where he shows you how you can make this one. It's time to see how well this is matched up. And from my first view here, it's about 1 to 1.5 or thereabouts in the middle of the 40 meter band. So I did cut this a bit long, as you normally do. So I'll be shortening it maybe 10 centimeters or so later, but this is well within what's tunable. CQ Flora Fauna, CQ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel. Delta Florida 2, Quebec Zulu 57. Scan of 20 meters also showed the same. Antenna is a bit too long, so I got to shorten it. Haven't taken it down yet for that. SVR is somewhere around 1 to 2, so it's not very bad either. Park to park, park to park, go!
Roger, roger. This is park to park. Sierra, Papa 9, Tango, Kilowatt, Whiskey, Postcode, Sugar, Peter 9.
Italy Whiskey 2, Bravo November Alpha. You're blowing up my meter here, 5-9 plus.
Roger, Roger. Good morning. Nice to meet you. You are also 5-9. Very strong today. Have a nice day. 44. Ciao. Park to park.
Park to park, park to park, go.
Italy Victor 3, Golf Victor Yankee.
Italy Victor 3, Golf Victor Yankee. I read you 5-9. QSL?
Roger, Roger. Good morning. 5-3. 5-3 for you. My total reference is Italy 1296. Back to you. Confirm the call sign is Mexico 0 Hotel Echo Mike. Mexico 0 Hotel Echo Mike. Your 5-55. Roger, Roger.
QSL, Mike 0, Hotel, Echo Mike. I got you in the log. Have a nice weekend. 7-3.
Park to park. Papa Delta 3 Radio Lima. Park to park.
Papa Delta 3, Radio Lima, park to park, 5-9, and nice and strong. QSL?
Roger, Roger. You're 57 into park. Papa Alpha 0004. QSL.
That's testing of the short antenna done. Worked perfectly. Just needs to be trimmed a bit as I expected. 25 in the logs, did 40 and 20 meters. I also tried tuning it on 17, 15, 12 and 10 meters. They seem to be working as they should as well. So this is going to be a good antenna. There's nothing surprising about that. It's just the same antenna as I had before. Thank you very much for watching. 7-3.